যারা ছিল কারা কারা আছে ইংলিশ ভার্সনে? শেখ আয়াতুন নূর, তারপরে জেসিন্টা জেসি আছে, ফারহানা আক্তার আছে নাকি? আছে। তাহলে একটাই পাইলাম আমরা। আসেন দেখি চলে আসেন একবারে। দেখি
Salam to all the teachers and the fighters of the uprising, July uprising, and all the students of our school. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
You know that today is the last day of the Uৎসব, and there are two things today. What is the July uprising and the festival at times, and the second time it is the sustainable development and just so there was a essay competition in our school about the second thing, and that is the threat of plastic and polythene on environment. And this is a very important thing for us because you know that plastic and polythene are very important, but if we compare that they have some bad side and some good side, then the bad side will be million times bigger than the small side, good side, because the bad sides are have impacts not only on us but all over the world. And we use so much plastic. If all the plastic garbage in the entire world are gathered, there will be 30 times the area of France. So we should try to remove them from our world. And not only that, one will do and one will not. Everyone should take several steps to stop this plastic pollution, because once time that the plastic garbages are littered in the oceans and the animals down there will eat that, they're thinking that they are food, and then the plants there will also take them as food. As we know that this is called the ecosystem, or there are, you know, that most of the world area is the ocean, and that means that most of the biodiversity in the world is just situated in the ocean. So if we think that, then that the biodiversity in the ocean will be just destroyed if the plastic pollution goes on, because you know the plastic is an undecompostable garbage which is not able to be rotted. So, but the animal's dead body can be rotted. So even on the land there are a lot of biodiversity. Even in the equator areas there the biodiversity very much. When the plastic garbages are thrown on the soil, then the trees get their food from the soil. But when the plastic garbage are thrown on the soil, it is making the soil pollution, and the soil pollution can cause the soil to be barren, and this can harm the plants on land. When they will not be able to give fruits and grow up, and then the farmers and the people living near the trees will not get able to fruits or vegetables from the trees, and then they will be poor and sad if that goes happen. And by this, if this happens, the plastic pollution is going one by one, and this will kill all the world, and even it has got some bad impacts on the human bodies. We think that microplastic is a thing what the plastic can be small to what we cannot see. They go under the soil and then they mix with our water, and we know that we get water from under the soil. So when the microplastic enters our body, it goes anywhere in the body, and this can cause cancer and any blood problems. And also from other animals, when they die, the ecosystem will also be destroyed, and this will make our beautiful living green world and a kind of graveyard. And we don't want we have to work together. We have to stop all the plastic pollution in the entire world, and we also have to we should also have not to littering, and we should also recycle anything what is undecompostable or even decomposable. And we should not litter them anywhere else. We should put them in the dustbin. And also, there is a nice thing when we are working together, that one is not depending on others. That means that we are working together, and this will be very good for our environment, and can also be stop to our environmental pollution. Then the world will be very beautiful and very nice for our environment. And this is how we can stop the stress and the bad sides and the good sides of plastic pollution. We should stop them. And you know that in Bangladesh, in October 1st, the government has stopped plastic and polythene using in the super shop, and the November 1st, 2024, the plastic and polythene use in the markets and bazaars are stopped. This is how we are stopping the plastic pollution in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the first country to stop using polythene in the early 2002, you know. But then the use of polythene are even increasing. The people are using it more. But you should use cloth and jute-made bags instead of plastic and polythene bags, so that we can help our environment to get even nicer. And then later this will be a very nice world to live in it. And if we don't go on the good side, but we go on the bad side, then once in 2050, the oceans will have more plastic than the fishes, which we don't want. And when the fishes eat those plastic garbages, and this goes up on the land, and all who are selling it or they're eating it, they will be sick, and this will also make them dead. That means the humans are they are all guilty for this plastic pollution, and this will go back. As you know that Newton's forces third rule, that every action has a reaction. So the humankind is doing such things to the environment, and the environment is giving back such things what the humankind deserves. So we are going on the good works, and that we can do for the world and all for the people and the animals and the plants and everything, so that our environment and the world will be a nice thing. And we should also pray to Allah every day, so that He will make us live nice in the future, inshallah.
Welcome, Mr. Ayat. He is an inspiration to all of us. আমরা বড়রা হয়তো পাঁচটা শব্দ বলতে পারবো না, সে পুরো টিমটাকে